So you got your rainbow colored, or I don't know what you call that color, shifter there. You know, she's got a little mud on the pedals, but all in all, clean rig. Here's the mileage: 103,000 miles. 103, 200, 9,000 miles, or 209. You know, however you say that. So she's missing the main console here. The wiring looks to be all there. So she's gonna need a new main console. These buttons here, these knobs, they're there, but they're gonna need some rewiring, or maybe that main console has something to do with it, or it could be that wiring that we saw under the hood. Gonna need a little work on that, but she runs, drives, ready to go. You know, this is gonna be a solid little truck for whoever buys it. Just needs a little maintenance, you know, get this thing how you want it eventually, but runs and drives. Comes with the repair manual for the rig. Here's that switch for the cooling fans, and it's just a simple on-off deal here, if I can get it. Anyway, you got your switch and you on, off. You read your temperature gauge and you just flip that switch whenever she's getting a little warm. So yeah, this is the inside of the cab.